Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Can everyone hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Let me share my screen. So, have you practiced, guys, yesterday's things which we have discussed so far? So, have you guys practiced yesterday's things?
Yes, sir.
Great. I hope you have created the GitHub repository and at least pushed your first code on it, right? So, what we have discussed so far, guys. So, let me just quickly revise it. So I told you about GitHub. So what is GitHub? So it is a platform, cloud platform, which is used to store developers' project source code, right? At one place using the repositories concept. And by that, what can we means what are the change, what things we can achieve by using it? By using we can monitor or track all our code changes, guys. So means both who modified the code, when modified, what modified, and why modified, we can easily understand by using these repositories and GitHub concept. Okay, same like that, we are having the Bitbucket, GitLab, also the similar tools are there, similar platforms. So we have seen the environment setup. So we have seen how to create the GitHub account, which is totally free of cost, and how to download and install the Git client software in our machine. And this is the one-time process, one-time configuration process that we have to do. And that's it.
बोल की नाही हा
Okay. Then we have seen what is the repository, how to create a repository. We have seen the most important thing, Git architecture. Okay, what is the meaning of working tree, guys? Tell me. Working tree, what is the meaning of working tree?
It is a current workplace.
Yes, actually it is the current workspace, guys. You're going to update your project files where you are going to make the code changes. Are those code changes directly eligible to commit, guys? Tell me. Working
No,
tree मध्ये
sir.
जे changes असतात, are those changes directly eligible to commit?
No, sir.
Here
No, sir.
we have created a document in this architecture diagram as well. So the changes which are available in the working tree, guys, those changes are not directly available for commit. So which changes are available to commit, guys? So there is one staging area as well. Staging area is what? It is the middle layer between our working tree directory and the local repo. So whatever changes we have just moved to staging area. Those changes are eligible to commit, correct? And what is local repo, guys? Actually, it is the place where our commits are permanently stored in our local machine, correct? So this local repo is the place after committing all our changes. At one place, the changes will be stored and those changes are ready to push on the server. Those changes are ready to push on github.com platform. Are you guys getting it? The central repo, and what is central repo, guys? सेंट्रल रेपो ही ते रेपो असते जी गिटहब वरती होस्ट केलेली असते, बरोबर? गिटहब वरती होस्ट मीन्स वी जस्ट गो टू github.com, तिथं आपण एक फोल्डर क्रिएट करतो and that is called as central repo. And we have seen this flow and we have seen couple of commands as well. What is the use of git command? So simply by using the git command, git init command, we can initialize the new git repository. Am I right, guys? What is the use of git init command? Tell me, what is the use of git status command, guys?
To see
See the status
status.
of our repository.
Yes. And here, this particular repo which we have created here, what is the name of our repo? GitHub Workshop 6th June. This is the particular project repository we have created, and you can clearly see, guys, the entire code which we have written in our code base where the code is present. This TC local disk D Infinite 2026 git practice and right. So these are our code files, right? These are the files. If I create any file, let's say I'm creating one file here, and the name of my file I'm giving as a third. Lakshita, I'm creating one file locally. It's loading, guys. Can everyone see my screen? I'm creating one file locally here. What is the name of my file here? Third. So far, we don't know what is inside that file, but still actually we'll try to write something like this. This is my, just wait. सगळ्यांना स्क्रीन वगैरे दिसते guys? Hello.
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
This is my code file. इथे मी एक लाईनचा कोड लिहिलाय. Actually, just consider it as a code. Because on GitHub platform, you can save anything, guys. Whether it is code, your notes, your configuration files, your property file, anything that you can keep it at the place of github.com. So here I have written something, and here how can I check at this location? What do we need to do, guys? At this location, I'm opening Lakshya. At this location, I'm opening the Git bash. So now this current third file, is that file available in Git local repo or central repo or working tree or staging area? Tell me. Is it third text
Working
file?
tree.
Currently, according to our Git architecture, currently
Working tree.
it is present in which state, guys? Which stage?
Working
here-
tree.
Very good. Working tree. Let's say this is, how can I check, guys? First of all, what is the command to check the status? Current status of my project directory, current status of my working tree.
Git
Git
status.
status.
Yes.
Status.
So इथं मी सिंपल एक कमांड एक्झिक्यूट करतो, लक्ष द्या. git status is the command I am executing. आणि इथं आपल्याला काय सांगतोय तो, here git status will help us understand what does git status do, guys? Display the working tree status. Working tree status सांगणार आहे तो, whether it is staged, unstaged, any file modified or what happened. And you can clearly see here, there is one file available here, third.txt. And what am I doing? If I want to move this file to staged area, what do I need to do, guys? Tell me. Git
add.
Git add third.txt. Just wait, guys. Okay, why is loading? Third.txt. It is added. Now, the moment I executed git.add command, currently ती जी फाईल होती ती कोणत्या स्टेज मध्ये मूव्ह झाली आता? That
Staging
file
area.
is moved to staging area. Very good. Now I want to move that file. Can I commit this? Sorry, can I push changes from here only? Can I push changes from staging area, guys? Directly without
No.
committing? No.
No.
तर step by step जायचंय. Then I need to commit the changes. Then how can I commit the changes, guys? So to commit the changes, git commit
Git
is
commit hyphen in.
git commit hyphen m means we are passing a message. Third file added. Okay, I am entering. So now local repo is done. My changes are moved to local repo, correct? आता ही जी थर्ड फाईल होती ती लोकल रेपो मध्ये गेली ना आता, बरोबर? So can I push my changes now? And what is the command to push the changes, guys? Simple, you need to execute the git push command. आणि इथे या git push command, let the push command executes, guys, and I will show the changes which I had made here locally in my machine. Those changes will be available at central repository on github.com platform. And this way, for example, हा third वाला कोड कोणी जो कोणी लिहिला, ज्या कोणी डेव्हलपरने, that code will be present on GitHub platform. And here simply you need to come and refresh this page and third.txt. So what is added, guys? Third.txt added. Third file added. At what time it is added? Just now added. who added, just the username will be there. So all these changes you can you can just track guys by using github.com. आता लक्ष द्या, आता मी काय करतो इकडे लक्ष द्या. This here third.txt file is added and here I am adding one statement. Okay, here I am adding one statement. For example, integer number equal to 100 is the statement I have added. आता let's say I have added this statement locally in working tree, correct? तुम्हाला जर चेक करायचंय what are the differences between, what are the differences, तर तुम्ही काय कराल, just first of all I am clearing the screen. लक्ष द्या, I am going to execute one command here, which command will help me what changes are made locally here in working.
Difference.
So git diff is the command. Git diff command काय करते है? This diff command is telling me that this file is modified and काय modify झालं लक्ष द्या. ते सांगतो हे जे रेड मध्ये जी लाईन असते काही, that red line is removed and the जो पण ग्रीन वाला content आहे, that content is added. I'm repeating again guys. What is happened here? Earlier there was only one line. It is telling us this line is removed now and this content is added. Basically, it is trying to let us know what has been modified. Okay, in working tree. Let's say here I am adding that file. Again, I am adding the changes. Lakshya, I am adding the changes again. Okay, it's loading that. Yes, how can I add, guys? Tell me.
Add command.
Very good. Now I want to commit it. Let me. Okay. Before committing, I will do one thing, guys. I will try to find out the difference and just once you are moving your changes. I just taking time. Once you are moving your changes to the staged area, is it telling us? Is it letting us know the difference, guys? Difference सांगतोय का तो तुम्हाला? एकदा like this, all commands I will discuss with you guys. Git diff काय करते? Display modified differences in working. Okay, and what is the command, guys? Simply you need to execute it. As I told you guys, what are we going to discuss today? So today we are going to discuss so many other commands. I will tell you, आपण जेव्हा फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादी कमिट आपल्याकडनं झाली, चुकून वगैरे झाली, हाऊ कॅन यू रिमूव्ह दॅट कमिट्स, गाईज? फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही let's say your code is working fine up to particular stage. Let's say तुम्ही 1000 लाईनचा कोड लिहिला, ओके, आणि नंतर एक कमिट केली. लक्ष द्या, this is very important, guys. You wrote 1000 lines of code, you committed your code. Again, you write 20 lines of code, you commit the code. Okay, again you line 75 lines of code and again you committed the code. लक्ष द्या. आणि या लास्ट लाईनचा जो 75 लाईन्स जे कमिट केले तुम्ही, because of that thing your code is breaking on production environment. Otherwise code is breaking, otherwise that functionality is not, you don't want to use. No need that functionality now. Okay, काहीतरी चेंज वगैरे झालंय. Let's consider. So in that case, these 75 lines I don't require, right? आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही कोड करता मला सांगा, एका खाली एकच लिहिणार आहे का तुम्ही 75 lines of code? You will mix your code everywhere, right? But here, this particular commit will help us revert that code. This particular commit will help us receive that particular code. Okay, तो कोड पण डिलीट करता येईल आपल्याला, guys, because that code is no more in use, because that code may be breaking on production, otherwise the functionality might have changed. Okay, because earlier this was the up to this particular thing the code was stable. Any reason could be anything. समजते तुम्हाला? Are you guys understanding it? Reason could be anything, but you have requirement, such a requirement. We can achieve that thing, guys. what are we going to discuss? Let's say तुम्ही कमिट वगैरे सगळं केलं आणि तुम्ही कोड पुश केला सेंट्रलला. सेंट्रल इन द सेन्स you pushed your code actually on the GitHub platform. Now anybody can access the code. आता तिथून जर तुमचा कोड रिवर्ट करायचा आहे, तुमचा कोड चेंजेस, then how can we do? We can discuss that thing as well. Basically, we are going to discuss these things at the time of discussing. I will let you know, guys. But did you understand about git diff command here? So git diff command काय करते? What does git diff command do? Git diff command will let us know the differences. आता कोणत्या स्टेजचे डिफरन्सेस पाहू शकता तुम्ही सांगा मला.
Working day.
व्हेरी गुड गाईज, व्हेरी गुड. माझा आवाज वगैरे येतो क्लिअर? सो शॅल आय मूव अहेड गाईज टुडे विथ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक?
Yes. Sir.
So
Yes,
far the
yes.
things, so far the things which we were discussing, guys. हे काल पण आपण पाहिलेलं होतं, ठीक आहे? So shall I move ahead? So here I am clearing the things. So now tell me, guys, so far how many commits we have done? You remember, guys, आतापर्यंत आपण किती commits केलेले आहेत? How many commits are available in our local repo? You guys are having any idea? इथे जर तुम्ही गेलात, for example, just if you visit here, तुम्ही पाहू शकता की काल आपण 2 कमिट्स केले होते. This was the initial commit. Then we had added the notes. And then this is the third file added. So how many commits are done so far, guys, here? Tell me quickly. Active, be active. There are 3 files. Sorry, 3 commits are done so far. But how can you check here? Always remember, guys, आपण जे काही commands execute करतोय on this git bash. So these commands are performing locally. But here, this is the platform actually. These things are available globally, centrally, or it is available on server. Understanding it? But here there is one command which will help us know the history of the logs, history of the commits, sorry. And git log is the command. Now, can you tell me, guys? Just see, आता जी पण commit नवीन आहे actually. As per that commit, it is letting me know. आता जी सगळ्यात top latest commit आहे, ती टॉपला असणार आहे. It is telling us now की dates संडेला 7 जूनला 11:12 आणि 49 सेकंदांनी 2026 साली third file is added with this particular commit ID. Okay, what is this branch and all? We are going to discuss later. And this particular is the email ID. This is the email ID. This is the username. Are you guys getting it? In the same way, it is letting us know की काल GitHub notes add झाल्यात. कोणत्या टाइमला add झाल्यात? At this particular time, GitHub notes are added with this commit ID. Are you guys getting it? Tell me. So what is the use of git log command, guys? What is
View
the use
the
of
history.
the git log command? This command will help you a lot, guys. So git log command to display
History.
log history. We are having the git log command. Are you guys getting it? And I have shown you practically as well, like this. आता real time मध्ये काम करताना if you will execute this command, guys, if you will execute this command, suppose तिथं 1000 command ची history असेल, all that history will come. But तुम्हाला तेवढे सगळे पाहिजेत का? Do you need all those things? Do you need all that history, guys? So most of the cases, you don't need all the history. You need to just check last 2 commits. You need to just check last 5 commits. Then how can you check it, guys? Git log काय करतो? Display an entire commit history. But git log minus, let's say, if I'm giving the 2 here, then it will show me only last 2 commits. Are you guys getting it? What is the difference between git log and git log hyphen any number? Tell me. What is the difference between git log and git log hyphen any number? Guys, tell me. Actually, I'm doing it in front of you, and then only I'm explaining you, right? Git log hyphen number.
It show only
Git
last
log
two
hyphen
changes.
5 to get history of only last 5 commits. Okay, so latest 5 commits history that we will be getting with the help of this particular command. Okay, I hope the idea is clear now, guys. And there is one more command which I want to execute here and which I want to show you guys. So whenever you are executing this command, git log or git log hyphen whatever the number, लक्ष द्या इथं काय होतंय, commit, author, date, and this entire information is coming. Means 4 lines are coming. But most of the times, guys, आपल्याला माहिती आहे, for example, who is the author, or we are not.
Sir, your screen has been gone. Share your
Okay.
screen. Don't know, sir.
How long it's been? Can you guys
Now
see?
it's visible.
किती वेळ झालं screen नाही
Sir,
दिसत आहे?
within
Sir.
20 seconds only. 20 seconds
Oh.
only.
Okay, no issue. Okay, लक्ष द्या. Quickly tell me, guys, what is the difference between git log and git log hyphen? The difference between git log and git log hyphen, whatever number. समजत नाही का तुम्हाला?
Sir, Gitlog give the all history, and Gitlog hyphen version hyphen any number it give that number of history.
Yes, very good. So if you are using git log, you will get an entire history. And if you specify any number here in git log command, then those many number of commits only you will be able to see last commits. आता लक्ष द्या, आता हे खूप सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊन येतोय हा, पण आपल्याला मे बी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन गरजेची नाहीये. You want to quickly see the last commits in single line. Then there is a command git log hyphen 1 line. And again, if you want to see last 2 commits or not, so like this, you want to execute the commits, and here only commit ID and the commit message will be shown. So git log hyphen 1 line. What is the use of this command? Tell me, guys.
Give the committed file.
Give commit history at 1 line. Display commit history. Actually, नंतर समजेल तुम्हाला, एकदम कमिट खूप सारे कमिट्स असले ना, तिथं this thing only will help you guys. Display commit history in single line. Okay, so did you guys understand about git log hyphen 1 line command? आणि याच्या पुढे पण आपण देऊ शकतो ना, to get the last. Yes, git log hyphen -5, for example, to get the last 5 commit history in what, guys? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, आता लक्ष द्या. guys, इथे मी काय करतोय, अजून एक फाईल I am going to add here. Right click, new text document, and here I am adding the 4th file. I am adding the 4th file, guys. आणि लक्ष द्या. I am clearing the screen. If I'll check the status, what will it show me? Tell me. आता जर मी get status check केलं तर काय सांगेल? सगळ्यांनी लक्ष द्या. If I will add the get status now, what will it show me? Everybody, please turn your camera. Very good.
Fourth file in red.
Very good. Okay, so here, if I will execute this command now, लक्ष द्या. वर्किंग ट्री मध्ये जे पण तुम्ही चेंजेस करतायत ना, git status will immediately let us know the status. git status ला लगेच कळतं. कोणी जरी इकडे येऊन काही पण केलं, फाईल ऍड केली, डिलीट केली, काही पण छेडछाड केली, git status will immediately come to know की कोणी काय इकडे गोंधळ घातलेला आहे. And git status will let us know. आपण ही फाईल, आपण ही स्टेटस, आपण जर हे एक्झिक्यूट केलं तर लगेच सांगणार आहे आपल्याला. इट इज फर्स्ट टेलिंग इट. लक्ष द्या आता. मगाशी आपण काय केलं होतं, third.txt मध्ये एक लाईन ऍड केली होती, रिमेंबर? इट इज लेटिंग अस नो की ती फाईल पण आपण स्टेज्ड एरियामध्ये मूव्ह केली आहे. अँड सेकंड थिंग, वी हॅव वन मोर फाईल विच इज अवेलेबल इन वर्किंग ट्री. डू यू वॉन्ट टू ऍड इन स्टेजिंग एरिया? आता लक्ष द्या, देर आर टू थिंग्स विच आय वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू हिअर. आता जी फाईल स्टेज्ड एरियामध्ये मूव्ह झाली आहे, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू get back that file in working tree, we have a command called git restore hyphen staged and file name. I'm repeating again. जी फाईल तुमची स्टेज्ड एरियामध्ये मूव्ह झाली आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल third.txt, तिला परत तुम्हाला वर्किंग ट्री मध्ये आणायचंय, तर कोणती कमांड एक्झिक्यूट करायची गाईज? टेल मी. git restore
Git restore
hyphen stage and here third.txt. If I will execute this code, if I'll execute this command, and you guys can clearly see, if I want to, if I will check the status now, it is telling me, just see, earlier this file was available in staged area. Now this file is no more available in staged area. Are you guys understanding it? Did you guys understand it? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
use of this? What is the use of this particular command, guys?
To move the file from stage area to working tree.
Yes. Git restore stage file. This particular command will help us move file from staged area to unstaged area. Will move file from staged area to working tree. Working tree is nothing but what? Working tree काय असतो? Which is unstaged
Current working
area.
tree.
Okay. And how will you execute this command? For example, git restore. These are things are very important, guys. Okay, लक्ष द्या. And here the file name of third.txt. Okay, that's fine. This thing also you understood, guys. आता लक्ष द्या. Totally, how many files are available in staging area now? I am clearing the screen, guys. लक्ष द्या. And here I'm executing git status command again. आता लक्ष द्या. How many files are available there in staging area now? How many files are available?
4.
2 file.
See, actually, sorry, in working tree, I wanted to ask. वर्किंग ट्री मध्ये आहे ना, आता कोणत्या दोन फाइल्स अवेलेबल आहेत गाईज? third.txt आणि fourth.txt. समजतंय? आता माय रिक्वायरमेंट इज टू ऍड बोथ दिस फाईल. लेट्स से आपल्याकडे असे दोनच फाईल्स असणार आहेत का? काही सिनेरिओ असं असणार आहे की आपल्याकडे 100 फाईल्स असतील ज्या वर्किंग ट्री मध्ये अवेलेबल आहेत, अँड वी वॉन्ट टू पुश दोज फाईल्स इन व्हॉट? We want to move that files in staged area first and later into local repo. आता मला सांगा, एक एक फाईल आपण ऍड करत बसलो तर टाइम जाणार आहे ना खूप. सो इज देर एनी वे गाईज टू ऍड ऑल द फाईल्स टुगेदर? सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी जर असं केलं, git add third.txt separate command. Git add third.txt is a separate command. Git add fourth.txt is separate command. What will happen? Separately both files will be added into local repo, correct? But there is a command git add dot करायचं. डॉट केल्यावरती काय होणार आहे? जेवढ्या पण फाइल्स or anything which is available in working tree, पूर्णच्या पूर्ण code will move into staged area. Earlier, just say, and now if I will show you the status, guys, git status वरती जावा. Both files are moved to the staged area. Am I right, guys? Am I right
Yes,
here?
sir.
And here I'm committing this code, and committing is very easy concept. Now you must have understood, right? Fourth commit is added. And actually काय असतं, organization, if you are working with any organization, or they add some hooks. Hooks means some rules that they add. Commit करण्याच्या आधी पण इथं आहे ना, Jira ID वगैरे ऍड करायला लागतो. Jira माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? Jira means if you are assigned with a specific task, that specific task ID will be there. Jira ID will be there. Let's say Jira ID, unique Jira ID. Unique Jira ID. So we do in this way, guys. So every company follows different approaches. Unique Jira ID, we give like this, and then colon. By this Jira ID, we can track for what these changes are done. Jira वरती गेलं की specific these changes are at what stage and all. Everything will come to know. And like this, I'm adding a commit message, guys. So this commit is now available into local repo. How can I push these changes into central repo, guys? Git push. आता हे जे इथे या तुम्ही आणि इथे बघा third.txt मध्ये इंटिजर नंबर वगैरे ऍड झालेला आहे ऍक्च्युली. ठीक आहे, आताच झालेलं दिसतं. Let me just quickly check, guys, here, and all are 4 files you can easily see here. Just the third file and just update. Third file मध्ये काहीतरी अपडेट केलं का आपण? Okay, so this change only is updated because of third file. आणि तुम्हाला जर पाहायचं असेल, लेट्स गो हिअर. हिस्ट्री दिसते तुम्हाला, लक्ष द्या बरं का. मी जेवढं जेवढं सांगतोय ना खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. गो टू द हिस्ट्री and easily you will come to know there are 2 commits are added for this particular file. Earlier, जेव्हा 21 मिनिटाखाली कोड लिहिला होता आपण, तेव्हा फक्त एकच लाईन होते, एकच लाईन ऑफ कोड वॉज देअर. But when I added this particular code at this particular moment, there instead of this particular code is added. आणि या commit साठी एक empty file पण add झालेली आहे, guys. That is the fourth.txt, which is currently empty. Nothing is there in the fourth.txt. Are you guys understanding it? Are you guys understanding it? And if you
Yes, sir.
just this is the third.txt, okay, and here let's say here I'm writing suppose wrong code. Here I have written the wrong code. Actually, here we are not writing code, guys. I'm explaining you the concept. Just try to understand. Consider this as a code. Wrong code. आता लक्ष द्या. I have written the wrong code here. And here.
अच्छा है ना, चार्जिंग वाला है.
If I execute
चार्जिंग वाला
git,
परवडेना.
please mute, guys. Please mute if you are speaking. Okay, so git status command जर मी execute केली, तो काय सांगणार आहे? Status is very nice command, right, guys? बरोबर ना? तो लगेच सांगतोय काय झालेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. Here there is one thing, guys, modified third.txt. आता जर मॉडिफाईड झालंय, व्हॉट इज मॉडिफाईड? कसं कळतं काय मॉडिफाय झालंय? टेल मी.
Difference, git difference.
Yes, git diff command I will execute. आता let's say you can see, you can come here. तुम्हाला दिसतंय की आधी ही लाईन होती and instead of that line one wrong code is also added, but that code is added here in my code and I want to just remove that code. आता लक्ष द्या, inside I think third.txt मध्ये तो कोड लिहिलाय आपण. Observe here the wrong code is written and here you can discard that code as well. Discard that code means आता हा wrong code इथं तुम्हाला एक सिंगल लाईन दिसते, त्यामुळे काय नसेल वाटत. You may feel की इथंच यायचं, ही लाईन रिमूव्ह करायची. No, it's not like that, guys. When you are integrating any code, खूप साऱ्या कोड सोबत, खूप साऱ्या फाईल सोबत you guys work together. आणि कुठे पण ऍड करू शकता ना कोणते पण व्हेरिएबल वगैरे, अँड सो मेनी थिंग्स दॅट यू कॅन डू देअर, अँड दोज थिंग्स मे बी कॉजिंग एन इश्यू इन युअर कोड, but you want to discard your last changes. Then how can you do, guys? Git restore, and here simply I do third.txt, and the moment I will do that, what will happen? Observe very, very carefully. Let me just check, guys. Let me just open it again. Can you guys see that code? Line of code is removed. मी त्याला remove वगैरे नाही केलेलं, guys. The moment I executed this command, git restore file name to discard the changes in working directory. It is showing us here. What is the use of this command, guys? This command will help us discard the changes in. So like this, guys, I am keep on executing the commands and discussing these commands with you. So git restore file name. This command will help us discard the changes in working tree. आता समजलं? तुमचे suppose any changes if you added and if you want to remove the changes from working tree itself, in that case, what will you do, guys? If you want to remove your changes from working tree itself, then simply you need to execute this command git restore third.txt, whatever the file name is. Okay, isn't it interesting, guys? Shall I move ahead with this? समजते सगळ्यांना काय काय आपण
Yes,
पाहतोय?
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good, guys. Okay, so slowly like this we are going to execute commands, आणि जे आपण commands मी नवीन पाहिन ना. Okay, so here there is a command git add will add the files in staging area, but git add dot केलं की काय होणार? Git add dot will add all files together in staging area. Are you guys getting it? Instead of just adding one by one file, actually in code maybe 50 files are there. Git add a one by one all the files you need to write if you are using only this particular command. But git add dot केलं की काय होणार? Will add all files together in staging area. Need to use dot. Git add. Okay. Shall I move ahead, guys? So here there are few more commands, right? But I will tell you, जसं जसं आपण पुढे जाऊ ना, तसं तसं मी ते commands मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. But now the most important thing, commands जसं जसं पाहू आपण, I will be adding those commands. मी actually एकदा separate पण लिहून ठेवले होते बरेच commands. But anyway, we'll come to that point later. So I will tell you now, there is an important question we'll be discussing now. How to remove it local commits. Local means, tell me guys, local commits means, are those commits available in my machine only or on cloud platform as well? Tell me. How to remove local
Sure.
commits. आता local commits म्हणजे मला सांगा, if I want to remove the local commits, then are those commits available in this my machine area only or इथं पण गेले असतील ते? Tell me.
machine.
अरे किती simple आहे. Only in your machine because local I've written here clearly, right? If you want to remove the local commits, git local commits. So simple. Now I'm writing something here. Listen very, very carefully, guys. I'm writing a notes here. So using one command, right? There is a command called git reset. Using git reset command, we can remove our local commits. What can we do, guys, by using the git reset command? आता suppose इथे लक्ष द्या, मी इथे काय काय केलेलं लक्ष द्या, guys. Here माझे चेंजेस फक्त लोकली वर्किंग ट्री मध्ये ऍड होते अँड आय जस्ट रिमूव्ह दोज चेंजेस. बट समजा मी ऍड केले असते आणि कमिट पण केले असते चेंजेस. बट हाऊ कॅन आय जस्ट रिमूव्ह दॅट कमिट फ्रॉम लोकली देन? कमिट मधनं पण कसे रिमूव्ह करायचे माझे चेंजेस? सो बाय युझिंग द गिट रिसेट कमांड. अँड हिअर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग आहे git reset. Git reset we can do in two ways. And what is the first way, guys? First way is soft reset. I will tell you what is the difference between these two. And second one is hard reset. Okay, how many ways, guys, to perform or to execute the git reset? Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you first, and then I will execute it, and I will show you practically. आता लक्ष द्या. Soft reset means what? Soft reset means only local commit will be deleted. But file or code changes will be there in staging area. Will be still available in staging area. म्हणजे काय होणार आहे? If you are executing the soft reset, it means तुमची फक्त commit ID remove होणार आहे actually. Only the commit ID will be deleted, but code changes जे पण तुम्ही केलेत against that particular commit ID will be still there in staging area. म्हणजे तुम्ही त्याला परत नंतर commit करू शकता by adding few other code changes, few other lines of code. Okay, and what is the command for that git soft reset, guys? Git reset -- soft head ~1 ~1. So this particular command will help us execute the soft git reset softly, guys. Git reset. And there is one more. What is that? Hard reset. So what is the meaning of hard reset, guys? Hard reset means local commit will be deleted. And also file changes and file or code changes also, and file or code changes also will be deleted. Also will be deleted from even working tree guys. वर्किंग ट्री मधनं पण डिलीट केले म्हणजे ते कोड चेंजेस राहणार आहेत का तिथं? whenever you are executing the git receipt, whenever you will execute the git receipt guys, your commit id also will be removed. These questions will be asked during our interviews guys, so make sure you are understanding, you are listening it very carefully. Now it's time to show you the practically. What is the use of git receipt command guys? Tell me. What is the use of git receipt command? Apurva, tell me what is the use of git receipt command?
To remove the local commit.
Yes. So remove the commits from your local machine. Always remember guys, जसा हा git reset एक असतो ना, in the same way we have git revert. But git revert आणि git reset मध्ये खूप सारं confusion होतं बऱ्याच जणांना. In fact, I also used to have confusion. But no need to get confused guys. It's very easy. Reset असतो ना, तो that will help you execute, and that will help you remove the commits from the local machine. But git revert एक पाहणार आहे आपण, that will remove the commits from the central repository. Okay, anyway, we will discuss that later. What about git reset guys? Practically it's time to see. So can we see that guys? I will clear this screen first. So what is the command to clear the screen? Here we need to write the clear. Now go here in the local working tree. What is this guys? This is working tree, correct? Working tree मध्ये मी काय करतोय? Let's say fourth मध्ये ओपन करतोय मी. आणि इथं मी फॉर एक्झाम्पल खूप सारा रॉंग कोड लिहिलाय. खूप सारा रॉंग कोड लिहून ठेवलाय, ठीक आहे. In fourth.txt multiple changes are added. लक्ष द्या आता, लक्ष द्या. Git log -1 line. So far how many commits are there? Commits किती आहेत सांगा मला. Quickly guys, quickly respond. How many commits are available so far? 4 commits are available so far. Very good. So now I want to check the status. Okay, so git fourth.txt is there. I want to check the difference. Okay, this is the difference is added. I want to add this difference in a staging area. मला हा जो कोड चेंज आहे तो स्टेजिंग एरिया मध्ये ऍड करायचा. मी करतो क्लिअर स्क्रीन गाइस, so that you guys will be able to see at the top of the screen. I want to add these changes. For example, git diff. I want to add these changes at staging area. What is the command to add the changes at staging area? Git add तुमची fourth.txt. No. Git add simply file name to add changes to the staging area. Add झाले. आता मी कमिट काय लिहितोय बघा, git -m new functionality added. New functionality add केली आपण. So shall I push this functionality guys to the central? मी जर पुश नाही केली, let's see, तरी पण मला ते दिसणार आहे कमिट. Okay, so locally in my local repo, how many commits are present now? How many commits are present in local repo? Tell me how many commits are present in local repo now? Everyone, please respond, guys. How many commits are present? 5. But if you'll open the repository, guys, here, how many commits you can see here? Let's say how many commits you are able to see here in locally, on the central repo chart. बरोबर? And as I told you guys, I have told you very clearly, git reset काय करतो? Git reset can remove the commits locally only. आता मला सांगा, let's say first thing, new functionality add केली आपण. For example, this new functionality is added. But let's say ही अर्धीच ऍड केली आपण आणि तरी पण कमिट मेसेज लिहिलाय पूर्ण. I'm repeating again. Commit ID will help you guys to find the code later. तुम्हाला जर कोड चेंजेस पाहायचे असतील, कोड डिफरन्सेस पाहायचे असतील, the single commit ID will help me identify that code changes against this new functionality. तर let's say आता असं कन्सिडर करा की ही फंक्शनॅलिटी अर्धीच राहिली आहे इथं, मला अर्धी अजून ऍड करायची. let's say this functionality is added guys. This functionality is a dangerous functionality. I have added this functionality. आता मी काय करणार, if I check the status, what will happen? Status तर सांगते की this file is still modified. Can I add this file, guys, or you want to check the differences? Difference is the nice thing. Okay, you can check the difference. I use that command a lot, guys. Okay, here I want to add that file fourth.txt. I want to add that file fourth.txt, and now मला काय करायचंय, guys? I want to just use the single command. Single commit ID मला यूज करायचा आहे. तर त्याच्यासाठी पण एक कमिट आहे, पण त्याच्यासाठी पण एक कमांड आहे ऍक्च्युली, बट आय विल टेल यू अबाउट दॅट थिंग लेटर. बट सो फार I want to just clear the screen. Observe very, very carefully, guys. I want to execute the git -1 line. किती commits available आहेत आता? किती commits message available आहेत? Quickly, guys, tell me quickly. How many commits are available? Okay. आता माझी रिक्वायरमेंट काय आहे? I want to remove this commit message, but code तिथंच ठेवायचा आहे मला. I want to remove this commit message, but code I want to keep in stage area only. Then what is the thing that we can do? We can execute git reset command. Git reset command आणि इथे सांगा मला काय काय करायचंय आपल्याला. In a soft way मी reset करतोय. head tilde1. tilde1 म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, काय? tilde1 means simply जी पण ही टॉप वाली कमांड असणार आहे, टॉप वाली कमिट आयडी, ती वाली सॉफ्टली रिसेट होणार आहे. अँड आय एम गोइंग टू एक्झिक्यूट दिस कमांड. ऑब्झर्व व्हेरी व्हेरी केअरफुली, गाईज. इफ आय एक्झिक्यूट द सेम git log -1 line, can you see the new functionality added commit? न्यू फंक्शनॅलिटी ऍडेड कमिट दिसते का तुम्हाला?
No.
पण इथे जाऊन तुम्हाला कोड दिसतोय का? पूर्ण कोड जसाच्या तसंच आहे ना? जस्ट सी, म्हणजे त्याने काय केलं, फक्त कमिटला रिमूव्ह केलंय. त्याने कोडला रिमूव्ह केलंय का?
No.
नो. आणि आपला तो जो हे काय सांगतो आपला सॉफ्ट रिसेट काय म्हणतो? आय विल रिमूव्ह ओनली कमिट आयडी. I will delete only commit ID, but file changes or the code changes will still be available in staging area. But जर मी याच्या जागी hard reset केलं असतं, if I will perform the hard reset at this place, just say I will add these commits again, guys. For example, आता जर मी स्टेटस चेक केलं, लक्ष द्या. आता स्टेटस चेक केलं तर तो काय म्हणते? fourth.txt is available. Git commit -m. I am adding this new functionality, guys, against one ID now. New function added. So I want to push the, I want to check the commits, guys. History पाहिजे मला आता. लक्ष द्या. Now, how many commits you are able to see now? Tell me. I'm
5.
clearing the screen.
5.
I'm clearing the screen. लक्ष द्या, हे खूप important आहे. How many commits are you are able to see now?
5.
But this time, I'm not going to execute the soft reset. This time, which kind of reset that I'm going to execute?
Hard.
आता हार्ड रिसेट काय करतो? कमिट आयडी पण रिमूव्ह करतो आणि
फाईल पण डिलीट करतो.
कोड
File पण.
ऍक्च्युली द कोड फाईल आपण आधीच्याच याच्यात ऍड केली आहे ना. डोंट गेट कन्फ्युज. ऍक्च्युली फाईल आपण ऍड केली आहे, तो दुसरी कमिट आहे ऍक्च्युली. या कमिट मध्ये काय काय केलंय? लास्ट कमिट पर्यंत सगळं रिमूव्ह करणार आहे तो. डोंट से फाईल ऍक्च्युली, बिकॉज फाईल वी हॅड ऍडेड अर्लियर. आपण नवीन फाईल नाही बनवलेली. जी फाईल बनली आहे त्यातच कोड लिहिलाय आपण. समजतंय? मग काय होणार आहे? रिपीट गाईज अगेन अँड टेल मी. इट विल रिमूव्ह द कोड. जस्ट सी. तो काय सांगतोय? हेड इज नाउ व्हॉट? फोर्थ कमिट इज ऍडेड. And if you try to see now, how many commits are there after hard reset? How many commits are there? You guys may say कि code available is. Code is not available, guys. Just see. Fourth. Okay, I'm opening the fourth.txt and there is no more code available here. Are you guys getting it? आता for example, या याच्या कमिट आहे, ही जी कमिट आहे याच्यामध्ये काय केलं होतं आपण? फोर्थ कमिट ऍडेड, फोर्थ फाईल ऍड केली होती, तिला पण रिमूव्ह करायची आहे. अगेन आय विल एक्झिक्यूट हार्ड रिसेट. तर फोर्थ फाईल राहील का आता? कारण आता टॉपला कोणता आहे? टॉपला कोणती कमिट आहे आता? कोणती आयडी आहे? इट इज टार्गेटिंग नाव बिट हार्ड रिसेट इज टार्गेटिंग टू इट. नाव इफ आय एक्झिक्यूट दिस कमांड, जस्ट सी, थर्ड फाईल ऍडेड वरती आता आपलं काय झालेला आहे, तो काय म्हणणार आहे आपण त्याला? Now there are only 3 commits left and you can clearly see that the entire file is gone now. So what is the difference between the hard reset and soft reset, guys? Tell me. सगळ्यांना समजलं hard reset and soft reset, everyone? Please
Yes,
turn
sir.
on your cameras,
Yes,
guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Janvi, Apurva, समजलं? Hard receipt and soft receipt.
Yes.
Can you tell me the
Yes.
difference? Can you tell me the difference between soft receipt and hard receipt, Janvi? Tell me, Apurva, the difference between the hard receipt and soft receipt.
Yes. सॉफ्ट रिसिट मध्ये लास्ट कमिट डिलीट होती पण कोड डिलीट नाही होत आणि जर हार्ड हे केलं तर मग कोड पण डिलीट होतो आणि कमिट पण डिलीट होती.
Very good, very good. So whenever you are executing the soft receipt, your code local commit will be deleted, but the code or whatever the file changes are there, still those changes are available in staging area. Okay, code जरी म्हणलं ना अपूर्वा, that will be available in local depot, staging area, or a different thing part. हा staging area नाही, actually कुठे available असतो soft receipt ने add झालेला असतो, maybe in local depot or staging area. Tell me, guys. That code will be still be available in staging. I will execute it once. I will check, guys, and then I will write it. Okay. Let's say I am adding one file here. New text. Fourth file added. Sorry. Fourth. Okay. Otherwise, I will remove this. Before that, I want to show you one thing. Which is fourth वाली file है ना, guys. Let it be staging area. Don't worry. Staging. Later also I can change it. This is fourth वाली file है, guys. If you observe, for that the commit इकडे सेंट्रल रेपोला पुश केली होती आपण and that fourth file is still exist here at central repo location. तर there is one important thing actually. जे काही तुम्ही चेंजेस करत असाल लोकली, आता लोकली 3च कमिट्स अवेलेबल आहेत, तुम्ही काय काय केलं, हार्ड रिसीट परफॉर्म्ड ऑन द फोर्थ कमिट. तर ते चेंजेस जोपर्यंत तुम्ही पुश नाही ना करत तोपर्यंत ते चेंजेस रिफ्लेक्ट नाही होणार आहे सेंट्रल रेपो मध्ये. And here there is an interesting part, guys, that we will be discussing later, but this thing will make you in trouble actually. That comes in advanced part actually. The updates were rejected because the team of your current branch is behind. It's the remote counterpart if you want to integrate the remote. Okay. Okay, so there is one thing which I'll let you know later. These changes, why am I not able to execute? Okay, third file आणि fourth file मध्ये change झालेला आहे आणि third file is still there. That is the third file is still there. Git push. Let me just check. Okay, if I execute this code now, git pull केल्यावरती काय झालं ना ते मी सांगतो तुम्हाला. In fact, the changes are available here now. जे पण changes आपण locally delete केले होते ते changes परत तिकडनं आणलेले आहेत मी. Fourth was the empty, but in third there was something added. Okay, anyway, we will move ahead, guys. जसं जसं पुढे जाऊ ना मी सांगेल काय होतंय, पुल वगैरे काय असतं. I will explain it today only if time permits. Okay, the way we have seen the way we have reverted the local commits, guys, in the same way we are having one more command. In an interview you might get the question, this question as well. You might get question, how to revert git central repo commit. Now we are discussing how to remove. जसं आपण पाहिलं की लोकल कमेंट्सला कसं रिमूव्ह करायचं. इन द सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हाऊ टू रिवर्ट द गिट सेंट्रल रेपो कमिट्स. आर यू गाइस अंडरस्टँडिंग? सेंट्रल रेपो कमिट्स म्हणजे काय आहे? ज्या कमिट्स ऍक्च्युअली कुठे अवेलेबल आहेत गाइस? सेंट्रल रेपो कमिट्स मीन्स द कमिट्स विच आर ऍक्च्युअली अवेलेबल हियर. So far, how many commits are there? इथे तुम्हाला नंबर भेटेल. How many commits are available? On central repo, 4 commits. Okay, and here currently I'm clearing it. How can we see the history, guys? एक लाईन मध्ये काय पाहतोय समजलं आता तुम्हाला? म्हणजे while working, guys, it will be quite easier for you. कारण आपल्याला हेच पाहायचं असतं ना की आता नंबर पाहायचा आहे मला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, how many commits are present here? Tell me.
Four.
एक minute. Okay, you can clearly see, guys, 4 commits are present here. So by using git revert, git receipt is different. Git receipt is for local, but git revert इथं एकदा आलं की delete होणार आहे का? We can revert it, guys, and the new commit ID will be generated for it. आता let's say what is the last commit ID, guys, which is available on central repo. You can click on these 4 commits, and here you guys can see 4th commit is added. 4th commit add करून काय केलेलं आपण? By adding the 4th commit, there are 2 changes are added. Third.txt मध्ये हा integer number add केला होता आपण, आणि fourth.txt empty file we had added. आता जर मी ती central जे revert केली commit, तर काय व्हायला पाहिजे? Fourth.txt will be removed completely, but इथं काय होणार आहे? Instead of just 4 lines of code, only 1 line of code will be there. The code which was added later for the commit number 4 will be removed. And कसं होणार आहे? लक्ष द्या, which is very, very important, guys. Again, actually in real time, you will face these scenarios, guys. And for these scenarios, I'm making you ready. So how to revert the git central repo commit? So for that, I will quickly, let me just write this code for you guys. No, using git revert. What can we do, guys? Using git revert command, we can revert code changes from where? Central repo. इथं फक्त सॉफ्ट वाला विषय नसतो git revert मध्ये. Okay, and how can we execute the command? Git revert, and here we need to execute the commit ID. You need to provide the commit ID. Okay, and there is one important thing, guys. By doing this only, एवढंच केलं की central repo मध्ये changes नाही होणार आहेत. There is an important thing which I need to tell you, guys. What is that important thing? After git revert execution, we need to execute one more command. What is that command? Git push command. कारण तुम्ही locally काय गोंधळ घालताय त्याला माहिती आहे का? No, until and unless you will not push your changes, त्याला समजणारच नाही ना. तुम्ही locally काय पण इथं काही करत बसाल. But how will you come to know? Central repo ला कसे समजणार आहे? By pushing it. And simply git revert is the command. आता last command ला मला काय करायचंय? Let's say this is the commit ID. Short मध्ये पण दिली तरी still it is unique ID, guys. Oh, sorry. And here git revert, and I'm going to paste this commit ID. Observe very carefully what I've done, guys. याला मी commit ID ला, okay, and it is waiting for the file, guys. Okay, actually it is expecting something from me, this revert commit. Okay, so you revert commit is both is committed. Please enter the commit message for your message line starting. Okay, so I will do one thing, guys. Actually, the folders and all. Let me just come here. Open git bash here. Git status. Okay, git log -1. Okay, how many commits are there present currently? How many commits present?
4.
Copy. Copy के लिए क्या होता है? अपन git revert. We provide the paste. I think -n. Commit reverted. Okay, I will do one thing, guys. Let me just do it. There is एक लिनक्सचा थोडासा यूज करायला लागणार आहे मला, which I am facing an issue, but anyways, don't worry. आता काय करा, git log 1 line करा, दिसते तुम्हाला 4 commits, and git revert हे करा, Observe very carefully. Your local changes would be overridden by the revert. Revert fail झाली आहे आणि का fail झाली आहे बाबा revert? Anyway, I will come here, get full. So any issues that you guys may face, okay, so I will clear this. Git log hyphen one line. Copy. Git revert. Paste. Git revert and simply commit ID we need to enter. Commit your changes or stash them to proceed. ओके काहीतरी आपण गोळ केलेलं आहे ठीक आहे पण एक स्टेटस या दोन फाईल स्टेज मध्ये जाऊन बसलेले आहेत कमिट झाल्यामुळे ते ओके एनिवे गिट कमिट -m लेटेस्ट कमिट 12:04 ठीक आहे git push okay so git status and git log hyphen one line. So now how many commits are there guys? 5 commits. आता या 5वीला रिमूव्ह करायचं रिवर्ट करायचं आहे. अच्छा पुश केलेलं आहे ना हे go here open the repository. Now how many commits you guys can see here? In total how many commits you guys can see here? Total 5 commits. Are you guys there? Total 5 commits. So last commit ला आपल्याला रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे. कमिट आयडी कॉपी करा. तिथं पण तोच कमिट आयडी भेटणार आहे. आता सेपरेट नाही भेटणार आहे. डोंट वरी. I am clearing my screen. Clearing my screen. Hit revert. Right click and paste. This is the commit ID, guys. Okay, I am entering the code. Enter. Okay, so it is telling me you can close it with :Q. And 2 files changed, guys. Revert झालेली आहे आपली. And git log hyphen one line. Okay, तर रिवर्ट झालेली आहे लोकली झाली आहे बट इथं मी नोट्स मध्ये एक पॉइंट लिहिला होता ऍक्च्युली व्हॉट वॉज द पॉइंट आफ्टर गिट रिवर्ट एक्झिक्युशन वी नीड टू एक्झिक्यूट द गिट पुश कमांड हे मी परत एकदा करतो डोंट वरी मला एकदा करू दे एक्झिक्यूट ओके डोंट वरी गिट पुश I'll make sure that you guys also will understand it and एकदा कमिट रिमूव्ह केली इथं जा 5 कमिट मेसेज होते इथं आता पाहूया काय आहे विषय latest code changes are removed guys by adding one more commit latest code changes remove होतात इथं कमिटचा काउंट नाही कमी होणार आहे in case of central repo but anyway I will add something and then I will show you then you guys will understand it समजतंय ना फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं मी एक ऍड करतोय न्यू फाईल लक्ष द्या fifth code file okay fifth code file that I have added here five number functionality added here save केलं मी now currently it is present in working tree but I want to just push this code to the central repository along with one commit message how can I do it guys tell me git status will let me know the status git add how can I add the file git fifth code file add झाली file after adding file काय करतो आपण commit करतो ना file आता मी इथे काय करतो लक्ष द्या -m is for message guys which is important fifth code file is added fifth code file function fifth code file is added आता इथं काय होणार आहे guys commit is ready but push केल्याशिवाय इथं अवेलेबल असणार आहे का तो कोड ऑब्झर्व व्हेरी केअरफुली विदाउट पुशिंग this code won't be available here. And what do I need to do, guys? Simply I need to push the code changes. After pushing the code changes, you guys can clearly see by going here, by visiting here, one more file will be added. That is the fifth code file txt, and that is just added now. And that has been created one new commit, right? आता मला याला काय करायचंय, रिवर्ट करायचंय. आता लक्ष द्या, and you guys only will help me. Okay? आता लक्ष द्या. Git status काय करतोय? अच्छा, स्टेटस नाही, मला क्लिअर करायचं होतं, कारण पुश केलं ना एकदा स्टेटसला काय नाही समजत. स्टेटस इज क्लिअर, एव्हरीथिंग इज अप टू डेट नाव सांगतो. ओके, आता मला पाहिजे कमिट्स. गिट लॉग हायफन वन लाईन. ओके, सो कमिट्स करंटली देर आर हाऊ मेनी कमिट्स गाइस? असू द्या कोणते पण. टॉपला कोणते कमिट आहे?
7.
function fifth code file is added.
टॉपला सगळ्यात फंक्शन फिफ्थ कोड फाइल इज ऍडेड इज द कमिट अवेलेबल. नाव आय वॉन्ट टू रिवर्ट दॅट कमिट. रिवर्ट करायला काय करायचं? ती कमिट आयडी कॉपी करायची, गिट रिवर्ट अँड कमिट आयडी पेस्ट करायची. पेस्ट केली, एंटर. एंटर केलं, इथं एस्केप करा, एस्केप, अदरवाइज कोलन क्यू करा, कोलन राईट अँड क्यू, राईट अँड एक्झिक्यूट, राईट अँड क्विट. राईट अँड क्विट केलं, रिवर्ट झालं. रिवर्ट झालं, आता एक कमिट आयडी नवीन जनरेट झाली असेल, लक्ष द्या. रिवर्ट, हा, रिवर्ट वाली कमिट आयडी जनरेट झाली. आता पुश करा, हिट पुश. वन्स यू विल पुश युअर चेंजेस, तेव्हाच इथे तो कोड रिवर्ट होणार आहे. दोज चेंजेस विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड हियर. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजतंय का? इवन इफ यू हॅव मेड सम कोड चेंज, आणि ज्याला तुम्ही पुश पण करून ठेवलाय, स्टिल दॅट कोड चेंज ऑल्सो कॅन बी रिमूव्ह. जस्ट दिसते का फिफ्थ कोड फाईल? अँड हियर इट इज शोईंग अस की फिफ्थ कोड फाईल वॉज ऍडेड हियर, दॅट फंक्शन वॉज ऍडेड, बट आपण रिवर्ट केलंय. सो दिस एंटायर हिस्ट्री इज अवेलेबल हियर ऑन द क्लाउड प्लॅटफॉर्म. एकदा जर पुश केलं तर सगळं त्याला माहिती असणार आहे काय काय झालं. तो काय सांगतोय, ऍट दिस फंक्शन इथे एक पीआर क्रिएट होईल. ते काय सांगतेय, फिफ्थ कोड फाईल ऍड झालेली आहे. ओके, याच्या काय आतमध्ये काय ऍड नव्हतं केलं ना आपण? येस, दिस फाईल वॉज ऍडेड आणि फंक्शनॅलिटीज रिमूव्ह झालेली आहे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लास्ट कमिट. So now tell me guys, what is the difference? What is the difference between the local commit, removing the local commit and removing the central commits, guys? So git reset will help us remove the local git commits, and git revert will help us remove central repo commits. Is it clear, guys? Everyone, tell me, is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समजते सगळ्यांना? Okay, are you guys feeling bored now? Okay, so anyway, don't worry, I will show you something interesting now. Yes, yes. Anybody is having any issue, doubt? कौन है? Hello. You have any doubt, guys? कोणाला काय डाऊट वगैरे आहे का? यश,
हो सर.
बाकीच्यांनी स्क्रीन का नाही शेअर, तुमचे कॅमेरा का नाही ऑन केले? ओके, एनिवे, लक्ष द्या आता. दिस इज माय वर्किंग ट्री. इथं मी एक काय करतोय, न्यू, आय एम ऍडिंग वन फाईल. लेट्स से प्रॉपर्टी फाईल ऍड केली मी. ठीक आहे, आय हॅव ऍडेड अ प्रॉपर्टी फाईल. अँड आतापर्यंत काय करत होतो आपण? दिस git bash we were opening, but there is one interesting thing I want to show you guys. इथे तुम्ही open git GUI पण करू शकता. ओपन git GUI. इथे काय केलं, लक्ष द्या. एव्हरी टाइम राईट क्लिक करताना आपण git bash ओपन करत होतो. ओके, and git bash is something like command prompt where we need to execute commands. But same things we can achieve by using the open git GUI as well. Git GUI वरती जावा. Git GUI is here, which is letting us know. Git GUI असा ओपन होणार आहे. तो सांगतोय की there is one file which is unstaged. Unstaged file. What is that unstaged file, guys? Property file.txt. Don't worry, I will come here. Here I will add property 1, property 2, property 3, property 4, property 5. I have added few properties here. याला क्लोज केला मी. Git GUI ला ओपन केला. Okay, याला क्लोज करून ओपन करायला. Okay, so इथे या तुम्ही. So whenever you want to move your stage changes from stage to unstage, काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला लक्ष द्या. सेम प्रोसेस. इथं आपण काय केलं असतं, गिट ऍड केलं असतं. आणि इथं काय करणार आहे, इथं क्लिक करा या फाईलवर. The moment you click on this file is available, guys. And this file is available at what stage? आधी त्याने डिफरन्स दाखवलंय. आता कोणत्या स्टेजला अवेलेबल आहे फाईल? Tell me, guys. Tell me. At what stage this file is available? At what stage this file is available, guys? I'm repeating again, and I don't know why you guys are facing difficulty. याला परत इकडे पाठवू आपण. Page change. हे जास्त यूज नाही करत बरं का, हे कोणी यूजच नाही करत, but I just wanted to show you this. I'm more efficient here. Let me just check the status first. लक्ष द्या तुम्ही. Why you guys are not answering me, guys? Git status. Where is it now? आता मला रिस्टोर करायचंय, अनस्टेज करायचंय. मी कसं करणार अनस्टेज? Git restore -- stage property file dot add. अरे यार, सॉरी. अनस्टेज करून टाकलेलं आहे मी त्याला. नाव आय एम गोइंग टू ओपन द गिट GUI. लक्ष द्या आणि सांगा मला, आन्सर करा guys. How I am opening the Git GUI? Then there is one file added. आता ही फाईल अवेलेबल आहे. Now tell me, is it staged or unstaged file?
Unstaged.
Very
अनस्टेज.
good. आता अनस्टेज मधनं स्टेज मध्ये मूव्ह करण्यासाठी कमांड लाईन मध्ये काय करतो आपण? कमांड्स मध्ये गिट बॅश मध्ये काय करतो आपण? You execute git. Which command you execute?
Git add.
Yes. Tell me confidently. You know. Git add. मग इथं ऍड कसं करणार आपण? इथं क्लिक करा. ऍड झाली. गिट ऍड झाली. आता ऍड केल्यावरती काय करतो आपण? कमिट करतो. इथं कमिट आहे. कमिट मेसेज मध्ये काय करणार मी? हे बघा, कमिट ऑप्शन आहे इथं. ठीक आहे. कमिट मेसेज मध्ये जा फक्त. अँड प्रॉपर्टी फाईल इज ऍडेड. झालं कमिट केलं. You must stage at least one file before you can commit. Okay, याला स्टेजच नाही केलं का आपण? अरे कुठे गेलं ते? Where is that file gone? Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Let me just get back to you again. Open Git bash here. Okay, we were about to do it. Git status. Commit झालंय actually, guys. Sorry. Commit is done. Now it's time to push the change. तर पुश कसं कराल? कमिट झालेलं आहे ते. आणि पुश करण्यासाठी पण क्लिक ऑन पुश बटन. इथे सगळे ओरिजिन आहे. ओके, फाईन आहे. पुश. अँड सिम्पली इट इज पुशिंग गाईज. आणि जे आपण लास्ट पुश केले ना, हे बघा, प्रॉपर्टी फाईल इकडे भेटतील आपल्याला. प्रॉपर्टी फाईल, इफ एव्हरीथिंग इज फाईन, प्रॉपर्टी फाईल इज ऍडेड. अँड यू गाईज कॅन क्लिअरली सी this code change we have pushed to the GUI. So GUI use करणं easy आहे, but nobody uses it, guys. Okay. Use commands standard way. Most standard way to use the commands and all. इथून पण तुम्ही ते ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करू शकता. हे बघा, अनस्टेज टू स्टेज मीन्स ऍड केलं. इथं कमिट मेसेज दिला, पुश करा. पुशचं पण बटन आहे. इट इज जस्ट इझी गाईज. ओके. So what is this thing we have seen now? Git GUI. What is the Git GUI, guys?
ग्राफिकल
Git.
युजर इंटरफेस.
Yes. तर ते गिट बॅश म्हणजे काय आहे? ते काळी स्क्रीन येते, त्याच्यावरती कमांड्स लिहायला लागतात. But this case, guys. But in this case, what happens? Git comes here with the GUI, and it is simply a desktop tool. It is the desktop tool to perform Git operations. And what happens, guys? We need to execute. Actually, we can do one more thing, guys. Suppose तुम्ही इथे आहेत आणि इथनं आपण suppose git bash open असला आपला. ठीक आहे? Our git bash is open here. And here also if you'll execute this command git GUI, still the git GUI will open, guys. Just can you guys see now? Did you guys understand that? So simply execute git GUI command. Execute git GUI command. They would have taken. Command in working tree. Working tree मध्ये open करायची आहे command. Working tree to open git GUI. Is it clear with everyone, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Git GUI is a simple tool. त्याच्यासोबत बघा तुम्ही practice करा. I never practice on it. I just wanted to show you that. हे असं पण काहीतरी आहे इथे. That's why I've shown you guys. Okay. Did you guys understand everything so far? Everyone. Did you guys understand? Everyone.
Yes,
The
sir.
things,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
the
Yes,
things
sir.
which we have seen so far. Did you guys understand? Now I think it's time to discuss the most important thing. Okay, shall I move ahead with the next topic, guys? Be active because I want to discuss with you the very important topic, guys. Very important topic. As a developer, you guys will create a branch and then only you guys will start making the code changes and you guys will be working on it. And now we are going to discuss about the branch concept. So I hope the idea is clear now. जे आधी डिस्कस केलं ते सगळ्यांना समजलंय. जर काल कोणी जर ऑनेस्टली प्रॅक्टिस केली असेल ना व्यवस्थित एकदम, then these things are very easy for them. Watch the recordings again and again, guys. I'm telling you every single concept in most easiest way. And you guys will thanks me later because every single concept I'm telling in most easiest way. कारण खूप सारं confusion असतं actually. If you try to learn it, try to read it from some other platforms, from other resources and all. खूप सारं confusion असणार आहे, but there is no more confusion here. In easiest way, this is the hard receipt, guys. Okay. In notes, otherwise it would have come in that way only. Turn your cameras on, be active. If you want break up couple of minutes, let me know. Because now we are going to discuss about Git branches. Then I will tell you about lab task. I will give you one lab task. Before that, we'll discuss about some pull request and merge things and some other things, some other interview questions and all. Also, we will discuss, guys. But I want to discuss with you about Git branches. I want to discuss with you about Git branches, guys. So you need break of couple of minutes. Tell me. We'll again. So Shlok, are you there?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So Shlok, you can stop recording again at 12:30. We will start. That time you can start recording again.
Okay, sir.
I'm from new fresh topic Git branches. We will start learning. Okay. आहे ना सगळ्यांकडे
Okay, sir.
टाइम का काही प्लॅन वगैरे आहे तुमचा काही? Should we start, guys? Let me know.